Hey YouTube. So in today's video I'm planning to ceramic coat the wheels and brake caliper. So not really excited to do it, but because I know it's gonna get dirty and but the idea is to coat it so that the brake dust and tire crap doesn't stick on the wheel when I go to the track. And so first step is washing it. So I have some dish soap and I'm gonna clean the wheels and the brake caliper. That's the most important step in coating the wheels. Okay, as you can see, I have one wheel raised up, so the plan is to take the wheel off so I can clean it really well, because I am, like I mentioned, going to be coating the wheels and brake caliper. Okay, next I guess try spraying some of this Iron X and see. It's supposed to turn purple when it picks up iron. Okay, next I got these wheel weight adhesive I need to scrape off. So okay, after 5 minutes, supposed to wipe off the excess to level it out, I guess. It's about 5 minutes since I applied it, and including the brake caliper. Okay, here's one of the finished wheel that I just coated and buffed off. So most of the time is spent cleaning and prepping. The actual process to apply is relatively quick and easy.